controversy that's erupted over a fashion show in Jammu and Kashmir. This was a beautiful outdoor fashion show that took place in Gulmarg. The event, videos of which have gone viral on social media, has agitated Jammu and Kashmir leaders as it took place during the Ramzan season. Ruckus even broke out in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly as leaders questioned the motive of holding a fashion show during Ramzan, calling it outrageous. They also sought action against the organizers. Now, Omar Abdullah's office has also reacted, saying that the shock and anger over this fashion show is understandable and that a report has been asked to be submitted within 24 hours, with the Omar Abdullah government reiterating and maintaining that they did not give permission for this fashion show in Gulmarg.
नहीं होना चाहिए इस तरह के हरकत, इस तरह की सिचुएशन जो इस माह रमजान मुतबरक महीने में नहीं होनी चाहिए. जो गुलमर्ग में हुआ गलत हुआ, नहीं होना चाहिए.
Should not have happened. Jammu and Kashmir is a place of Sufi saints, जिसको हम कहते हैं ऋषि और मुनियों का स्टेट है. ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स इवन नॉर्मल सर्कमस्टांसेस में भी सेमी न्यूड शो जम्मू कश्मीर में नहीं होना चाहिए. दिस इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल. अब उमर साहब ने इसका एक कॉग्निजेंस लिया है. देखते हैं, रिपोर्ट मांगी है, रिपोर्ट आ जाए, जिस तरह उमर साहब ने कहा एक्शन ली जाएगी उसके लिए.
गुलमर्ग में कल जो हुआ है माह रमजान के महीने में, उसकी भी एक कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए. देखना चाहिए कौन लोग उसमें जिम्मेदार है, उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए.
न सिर्फ रमजान की बात हो, ऐसा प्रोग्राम, ऐसा शो जो फास्ट चीज़ों को प्रमोट करता हो, न्यूडिटी को प्रमोट करता हो, जम्मू कश्मीर की सेंसिटिविटी को समझ के, यहाँ के रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट्स को देख के, चाहे जम्मू हो, कश्मीर हो, कोई भी मजहब, कोई भी सोसाइटी ऐसे चीज़ों की इजाज़त नहीं देती. अनफॉर्चुनेटली टूरिज़म के नाम पे ऐसी फास्ट चीज़ें यहाँ पे प्रमोट की जाती हैं जो लोगों में न सिर्फ गुस्सा बल्कि इनसेंसिटिविटी का एक मैसेज पेश करती है. तो दिस इज़ अनफॉर्चुनेट.
So we've gotten you all of these reactions that have come in on the fashion show, an issue that's also echoed in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly, with Netas questioning why this has been allowed during Ramzan. They're saying that this is hurt religious sentiments, that this kind of a fashion show happened during Ramzan. Interestingly, you've got also the Chief Minister right now reacting to this entire controversy, saying no permission wasn't given by us for this particular event to take place in Gulmarg. But questions are being asked of what really this controversy is about. Why is it that there's so much outrage over a fashion show being held in Jammu and Kashmir during Ramzan? Some politicians maintain that this kind of skin show, as they put it, during Ramzan is hurting religious sentiments, which is why they've sought appropriate action. But at this point, as we get you all the reactions, the BJP has also taken a stand, questioning what's with all of this outrage, saying it's unwarranted and that this is conservatism that's being promoted in Kashmir. While many would say that a fashion show, speaks of development, puts the focus on the beauty of Gulmarg and perhaps will help in boosting tourism, there's outrage in Kashmir over the timing of this fashion show, saying why was it allowed to happen during Ramzan? Omar Abdullah has said we didn't give permission. They've sought a report from the local administration to understand how this event was even allowed to take place.
उनके लिए नौकरियों का रिजर्वेशन करके हमने उन्हें तैयार किया.
Now, Omar Abdullah, in a statement, has said that this is a private show that was organized at a hotel and that the local administration will now probe as to exactly how this took place. But making it very clear that the government didn't allow it. Permission wasn't sought from the government and they did not give their nod that this was held at a private location. We'll just play out for you that reaction from the Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister on this entire controversy, because it's echoed in the Assembly. There's been a statement also from the Chief Minister in the Assembly. His own party members, the NC, have been questioning why this kind of a fashion show was allowed to take place during Ramzan, saying it hurts religious sentiments. You had the PDP also raising these questions in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. And so Omar Abdullah, in response, saying the government had absolutely no role in this, but a report has been sought from the local administration. This took place in Gulmarg with the spectacular snow-capped mountains really as the backdrop for this particular fashion show. And while you see the images, absolutely spectacular, absolutely breathtaking, and you'd think helps also in pushing for tourism, kind of putting the spotlight on Gulmarg, a controversy breaking out with many saying that this hurts religious sentiments, the fact that it happened during Ramzan, because they're claiming that in this fashion show, there's been a lot of skin that's been shown, displayed by the models, which according to them, hurts sentiments. These are NCP, PDP leaders who are questioning the same. Umar Abdullah, it seems, also has made it clear that the government has nothing to do with this. The BJP, interestingly, has maintained that there's nothing wrong with holding a fashion show during Ramzan, that this is conservatism being pushed, and that the outrage is completely unjustified, unwarranted. Let's play out for you what the Chief Minister said.
हुकूमत से कोई इजाज़त नहीं मांगी गई, हुकूमत से कोई पैसे नहीं लिए गए, सरकारी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कोई इस्तेमाल नहीं हुआ और सारे सरकारी अफसर इसमें थे नहीं। लेकिन इस बात के बावजूद इंतज़ामिया को वहाँ कहा गया है कि अगर कहीं पर भी इसमें कानून के खिलाफ कोई बात हुई हो, अपनी तहकीकात मुकम्मल करके अगर ज़रूरत पड़े तो मामला पुलिस के हवाले किया जाए, पुलिस के बाद अपनी तहकीकात करेगी। लेकिन मैं यहाँ क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ कि इस फंक्शन में हुकूमत का कोई रोल नहीं था। अगर हमसे इसके लिए इजाज़त मांगी गई होती, हम इजाज़त नहीं देते, लेकिन क्योंकि प्राइवेट फंक्शन था, प्राइवेट होटल में रखा गया, अगर कहीं पर भी कानून जो है वो इसके खिलाफ कोई काम किया गया होगा तो उसके खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
Okay, let's bring in Mir Farid for more details on this controversy. Mir, break down for us really where the outrage stems from. What are netas saying? Why are they objecting to this kind of a fashion show taking place?
Well, Akshita, as you know, Kashmir has been a conservative society. The socio-religious ethos is such that there has been a very little tolerance to such fashion shows in the past as well. In fact, this is a first. Even I cannot remember an occasion where such a kind of fashion show has been organized in Kashmir, where semi-nude models were ramp walking. Now, this obviously is a situation where a duo, a fashion designer duo, hosted this in Gulmarg, and this was kind of a private event. There was no media, no local presence. It was only after 2 days that the organizers put the videos on social media, on Instagram, and that really led to a furore. As this spread, and in fact it spread like wildfire, there were angry reactions from locals, from netas, and then you had Umar Abdullah reacting on Twitter and saying that this should not have happened in the holy month of Ramadan. He has, in fact, initiated an inquiry, told the authorities there to furnish a report within 24 hours. Obviously, people understand that it is a very emotive issue as far as local sentiment is concerned, and no one really wants to be seen on the wrong side of that. And that really is something that is ensuring that netas and everyone is reacting in such a manner. Now, as of now, we also know that the religious clerics, late in the afternoon, there are certain press conferences as well. So no one is allowing this issue or this matter to die down. Although the organizers have already removed the videos, they have apologized, but obviously now it is a massive issue, and we'll also probably see it in the assembly as well, as people will raise it, and we will also have to wait and see what Umar Abdullah does, because he has said that in 24 hours he'll get the report. So that really is how it is right now, but definitely politics is not dying down on this. Akshita.
All right, we'll track all the reactions that come in. For the moment, Mir Farid, thank you very much for joining us.